So you've heard Porto is a must-visit on your upcoming trip to Portugal, but where should you stay? If you're looking for luxury that's within walking distance of all the attractions of this beautiful city, but want something just outside the chaos of the most tourist-saturated neighborhoods, we've got the hotel for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Party of Six Travel. In today's video, we're taking a close-up look at the Renaissance Porto Lapa Hotel, a stylish and modern property in the heart of Porto, Portugal. We'll show you the room, the rooftop pool, the gym, the amazing neighborhood, and how we stayed here completely free. Let's dive in. The newly built Renaissance Porto Lapa is located in the Lapa Neighborhood, a quieter residential area that's still just a short walk or quick metro ride to most of Porto's main attractions. You're only about 10 minutes from the Aliados Avenue, and the Lapa metro station is right around the corner, making it super easy to get anywhere in the city. First up, let's talk about the room. We stayed in a standard king room, and while it wasn't huge, it was beautifully designed, super modern with great lighting, comfortable bedding, and thoughtful touches throughout. The room comes with this large closet, lots of drawers, and plenty of storage space. We appreciated the water and coffee station equipped with an electric tea kettle. There's no mini bar, but we did appreciate having this mini fridge, and that came in handy keeping our water cool during the stay. The bathroom was fairly standard, but the design was sleek, and we really liked the walk-in rain shower and luxury finishes. While we had a view of the city from our window, it's important to note that none of the rooms come with balconies. So if you absolutely need that to have an authentic European city experience, this honestly might not be the hotel for you. Overall, the room felt clean, stylish, and very quiet, perfect for recharging after a day of exploring Porto. The top highlight of this hotel has to be the rooftop pool. It's not massive, but it's beautifully done, and the views over Porto at sunset, well, see for yourself. There's also a full-service bar and grill, and whether you're taking a quick dip or just lounging with a drink, the rooftop is the best place to end the day. There's also a well-equipped gym, which we appreciated. It's probably also on the smaller size of reasonable, but it has everything you need for a solid workout, including treadmills, free weights, and resistance machines. Breakfast at the hotel was solid, a full buffet with pastries, fruit, hot dishes, and coffee. But it's not included in the room rate unless you have elite Marriott status. And we found the price a bit steep for what you get. I think we paid $25 per person. That said, The room service was excellent. We ordered a couple of meals and really enjoyed them. It's a great option if you want to relax in the room after a long day. So, why stay in Lapa? One of the things we really loved about this neighborhood is that it lets you experience Porto a little more like a local. While many tourists gravitate towards busy areas like Ribeira or the city center, Lapa offers a quiet, charming base that's close enough to all the sights, but situated just outside the reach of the crowds. Here you get a chance to appreciate daily life in Porto, wander peaceful streets filled with colorful houses and cafes, and enjoy a more laid-back, authentic side of the city. The metro is just around the corner, making it super easy to get wherever you want to go without having to stay in the thick of it all. If you're looking for a restful retreat after a day of sightseeing, Lapa is the perfect spot to come back to. Wandering around the neighborhood, we actually stumbled onto what became our favorite restaurant in the whole city. The food was amazing and the atmosphere was quiet and perfect. We'll drop a link to this restaurant in the description. Now, here's the best part. We stayed at this hotel for free using Marriott Free Night Awards, which we earned just by opening a Marriott Bonvoy credit card. It's one of our favorite ways to make luxury travel more affordable, and this redemption just felt like such a win. Overall, the Renaissance Porto Lapa hit all the right notes. Modern design, great location, killer views, and solid amenities. It's perfect if you're looking for a more relaxed stay in Porto without sacrificing access to the city's charm. Let us know in the comments if you have questions or if you've stayed here too. Hopefully you found this review helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel tips and hotel reviews across Europe and beyond. See you in the next one.